An off-balance ceiling fan can pose a significant safety risk if left unchecked. With this troubleshooting guide, you can correct a minor annoyance before it becomes a costly problem. Here's what you'll need. First, clean the fan. Grime can build up on the blades and clog the motor, both of which can contribute to wobbly rotation. Next, check that the fan is mounted correctly. A stabilized fan will be installed on a fan-rated electrical box mounted to an adjustable fan brace or a 2x4 crossbeam with lag screws. An electrical box designed for light fixtures only cannot support the added weight of the fan, and it will eventually loosen, creating a safety risk. You can usually loosen the bracket housing to see how the fan is attached from the underside. Wiggle the bracket. If it moves, tighten it using a screwdriver. If the fan is mounted correctly, then you'll need to check for loose fasteners. Start by examining the hanger ball, making sure it's firmly seated in its groove. Tighten any downrod support screws, then replace the canopy cover, firmly tightening those screws too. Next, look over the switch housing to be sure it's securely fastened to the light kit. It should sit flush. If not, tighten the screws that hold them together. After doing this, turn on the fan to see if the wobble has been stabilized. If the fan is still unbalanced, inspect the blades. Over time, they can sag from humidity or temperature changes. Measure each blade to ensure they're all the same distance from the tip of the blade to the ceiling. If they're not, adjust them by tightening the mounting screws that secure them to the motor housing. If the screws are tight, check the blade arms or irons. They could be slightly bent and account for a height variance. If the fan blades have warped, you may need to purchase replacements. If so, replace or upgrade the blade irons too. There's also the option of purchasing a fan balancing kit. Attach the plastic clip to one blade about halfway up its length, then turn the fan on to see if the instability has improved. Turn the fan off and repeat this for each blade until you've located the issue. Slide the clip along the problematic blade about an inch at a time, rechecking for improvement after each adjustment. Once you've found the position that offers the most stability, stick or glue down the balance weights in the center of the fan blade and remove the clip. Keep in mind, if your fan is over 10 years old, it may have started developing other mechanical issues and you may need to consider buying a new one. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.